Cute. That is very cute. So how has
It's gonna be a cute show.
It is a cute show. It is supposed
That's the kind of questions Ozan has for us
yeah,
today.
it's a cute ones. How has your love for each other evolved over the time, over the years? Because it's been more than 10 years that you guys are together. So.
I feel like जितना जो कि बहुत मुझे अच्छी बात भी लगती है, ऐसा मुझे लगता नहीं था होता है, बट मुझे लगता है कि जितना मैंने फरहान को ज़्यादा जाना है ओवर द years, I think I like him more and I fall for him more, you know, like जब आपको किसी की आते हैं और आप जब देखते हो what kind of human they are, so I think every day I get to know him more and like him more for sure.
Same
Yeah,
goes for
like
me
genuinely.
also. I am getting to know him more and more better these days.
आपके साथ भी यही हो रहा है?
Yeah, I
Oh
am
my
falling in
God.
love with him again. But honestly, मैं अपना वो आपके बारे में because उर्वा के साथ तो I gelled in immediately when we
Yeah.
were shooting the cover.
Yeah.
But with you, honestly, I felt like we met so many times back and forth. और मैंने आपके साथ पहले किया है काम बनिस्बत उर्वा के because we did the
कब?
interview for Tij Button times,
Oh, yeah.
promotion times.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
you guys did? मैं नहीं थी इस पर?
You were.
कौन सा इंटरव्यू था
आपने एक ही
ये?
जवाब दिया तो मुझे खैर मुझे याद है वो.
कौन सा इंटरव्यू था
We were
ये?
at this mall में था.
Yeah.
ओह अच्छा, लाइक मीडिया
Yeah,
जंकेट,
media junket,
उसमें तो नहीं
हाँ,
ओजान
हाँ,
याद रहता ना कौन
हाँ,
कौन बैठा
वो
हुआ
हमने
था.
किया था एक quick सा segment.
हाँ,
but
like we didn't really meet है ना?
yeah, we did.
हाँ,
we did.
हाँ, हाँ.
But as we met at the Mavra's wedding also and everything, but I found you guys both. I need to tell this on camera, please.
Oh, nice. The food
ये
has
हमें
arrived.
खाना भी आ रहा है साथ साथ मजे की चीज़ है. मुझे भूख भी लगी है खैर. But I was saying that I have enjoyed your company and apart from that, you guys are outstanding host.
Oh, that's
Outstanding host.
Thank you.
Thank you for that. Thank you so much.
शुक्रिया.
Achha, I have this really interesting question. That after your on-screen pairing in Udari, fans started shipping you guys.
Yeah.
So usse pehle you guys were together, right?
Yeah.
So how was that? Like, awam ko kaise, you know, they get the vibe when they start shipping you.
Yeah, I guess that was reflecting on
है ना?
screen also. हाँ,
हाँ.
absolutely.
You guys had
Huh?
outstanding chemistry.
हाँ,
Thank
that
you.
was because
Well, I always say I could have done better in Udari. I
Yeah, he
always,
says that.
Always say that. If
You've
I
done a fantastic job.
thank you, but you know, I tell you a very interesting story related
Yeah,
to
yeah.
this. So we were in Berlin for a fashion show, and I was performing. They were walking. So जब मैं sound check करने जा रहा था, तो the people were starting to come.
Yeah.
You know, तो वो line लगी हुई थी. तो जब मैं वहाँ से गुजर रहा था, तो एक बंदा चीख के कहता है फिक्र ना कर अर्श बेटा मीरा तेरी है. So you know the Udari's last episodes were
Yeah.
about to come, but you
Yeah.
know people were shipping already.
Beautiful. वो आपकी chemistry हमें ज़्यादा वो नहीं encourage कर रही थी to watch more, watch
I
more,
know.
watch more.
No, but I think
So,
credit where it's due. I think it was beautifully written
Yeah.
by
Yeah,
Farad.
absolutely.
Ishtiyaq.
beautifully shot,
Beautifully directed by Tisham.
Yeah.
I think all of
Exam is fantastic.
yeah, all of them did a great job.
Okay, so how did you celebrate your first Valentine's after you got together? I really want to know about the
मुझे
details.
जो याद है,
हाँ.
मुझे लगता है हम डिनर डेट्स पे बहुत जाते थे. फरहान always took me out to like restaurants and
He's
I wasn't
he's
really a foodie
That is
though.
interesting.
हाँ?
मैं कहा he's a bud, so he's a
हाँ,
foodie.
और मैं नहीं थी. अब मैं हो गई हूँ. अब मुझे लगता है कि मैं हो गई हूँ, बट लेकिन ये है कि तब मैं बिल्कुल मुझे खाने का कोई इतना, बट you know he would know कि अच्छा वहाँ ये अच्छा है, वहाँ वो अच्छा है.
But I don't know
So-
बाकी सब लोगों का, but if you know Kashmiris,
Yeah.
so हमें घर का खाना सबसे अच्छा लगता है. Yeah. So,
हाँ, हाँ.
so
No, but you made me try like all the different.
yeah, Valentine's तो फिर
Places.
हाँ, it was special होना चाहिए.
स्पेशल होना चाहिए.
हाँ. So हाँ, कुछ इस तरह का ही date night type and you know.
Okay, so your wedding was like a grand affair. It was not by you guys, but it went on and became this really huge affair. So that set the trend for celebrity weddings, and was the scale of the wedding planned, or it was unfolded like organically, like वो बन गया जो बना. मतलब it became the trend everywhere.
Okay, yeah.
And अभी तक लोग follow कर रहे हैं वैसे.
शुक्रिया, शुक्रिया,
Thank
शुक्रिया.
you so much.
Follow करें वो trend?
हाँ.
अच्छा.
आपकी शादी का.
I feel
सोचा
like the
समझा
times
नहीं
have
था,
changed
right?
for sure. The times have changed. Now
हाँ.
people are more into intimate stuff and like with the family mostly
हाँ.
and तब I feel like हमें नहीं था
आपका भी तो
idea.
फैमिली अफेयर था, मैंने सुना है
था
बहुत लोगों ने क्रैश किया था यहाँ पे.
यही मैं कहने लगी थी था,
हाँ.
but वो
Thank
रहा
you.
नहीं.
हाँ.
एंड देन उस टाइम पे मुझे लगता है हमें ना हमने इस बारे में सोचा था, ना हमें आइडिया था ऐसा होगा, और हाँ मतलब अगर पता होता है तो हम कुछ कंट्रोल करते हैं शायद।
मैं आपको बताऊं, मैंने आपकी शादी कहाँ देखी थी?
हाँ।
मैंने आपकी शादी केबल टीवी पे देखी थी। वो जो केबल के सस्ते इश्तिहार नहीं होते, सस्ते जो चैनल होते हैं जो उनके अपने होते हैं,
अच्छा, सुने खाए
उन्होंने
थे?
प्लीज
हाँ,
उन्होंने
उन्होंने
स्टार्ट किया था ये सारा कुछ।
हाँ
उन्होंने पूरी वीडियो आपकी बना के ना वो उधर लगा देते थे।
एक्चुअली अगर हमें पता होता, बिकॉज हमें भी नहीं पता था कि ये ऐसे हो जाएगा शादी का, तो हम उसको बहुत वॉच आउट करते, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ हमारे
उससे पहले कोई ट्रेंड ऐसा था नहीं।
एग्जैक्टली तो हमारी कवाली नाइट या हमारी किसी एक्चुअली लोगों को लगता है हमने बहुत सारे फंक्शन किए थे, ये मिसकंसेप्शन हमने बिल्कुल नहीं किए थे, 2 किए थे, बाकी ढोलकियाँ थी, लेकिन उस वक्त वो कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था ना, वन पिक्चर कम्स आउट एंड पीपल थिंक के पता नहीं एक पूरा वो है, सो वो खैर इट वाज ऑल इन द मेकिंग, ये सारा सोशल मीडिया ट्रेंड्स एंड ऑल, people were live from their Facebook feeds, which is I think not very
जो
cool.
हमने बाद में देखा कि मतलब
people got the clout ना from you guys.
I mean Facebook Live was a new thing. तो but आप किसी की फैमिली में जाके ऐसे, खैर बस वो होता गया, and then honestly speaking it went out of our hands too. I mean once it's on the internet, it's on the internet.
1000 बंदा तो आया होगा।
नहीं 1000 नहीं, हमने इतना तो हमने ख्याल रखा हुआ था।
नहीं इनवाइट ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं था।
नहीं
बट हाँ कुछ
I mean sure people were out, I mean yeah, खैर वो it's not about कितने लोग आए थे, it's about we didn't want our family wedding to be on the internet, especially.
But
So
it was beautiful, to be very honest.
You guys enjoyed it for sure. On cable TV.
We enjoyed it so much.
Have a bite, it's really nice, guys.
Yeah, I will. I have questions a lot, so I'm just like curious to.
You ask a question and then you eat. We'll do the talking.
So, okay, I love the picture that came out. The picture that I'm talking वो screen पे भी दिखाएंगे हम. When Farhan proposed you in front of the Eiffel Tower, the dream of every girl and guy.
That was really special.
So क्या reaction था उस moment पे? What was this planned or was it just?
I cried so much. No, it wasn't planned for me.
Yeah,
like I didn't know.
But Farhan bhai
He, I'm sure, planned
he'll tell
it.
his side of the story.
Yeah.
You tell
thank God I didn't cry. नहीं,
I cried.
मेरे लिए बहुत वो टेंशन वाला ट्रिप था, because I didn't know. I mean, I had an idea. That's why I asked the question. But you know,
Later I found out that he had been hiding that ring throughout the trip. ये टेंशन थी basically.
नहीं और
कि बैग में नहीं मिल जाए, यहाँ नहीं मिल जाए, वहाँ नहीं।
नहीं और वो बस एक वो बहुत था कि you know didn't tell her and उसको ये भी कहना है कि आज ड्रेस ऐसा कोई पहनो और इधर and I didn't meet her, like I didn't go with her.
Yeah.
I met her there.
I went to the Eiffel Tower and I saw him there.
I met her there. So
He had to make that happen. Yeah.
उधर उस टाइम पे पहुंचाना और ये कि बिल्कुल ही कोई डेनिम ही ना पहनी हो ना उसमें,
कि मैं बाद में कहूँ मेरी पिक्चर्स ही अच्छी है।
सही बात है.
so that whole thing was quite, but when it was done we had
Tension तो
we had a
लेते
lot
हैं,
of
definitely.
fun.
I love the picture.
Create
also.
that
वो
moment.
picture बड़ा मजे का था. It was the best picture that came out at this.
Yeah, and the people around us, they were clapping and all that. वो उस जगह की माहौल ही ऐसा है. मेरा ख्याल है आगे 4-5 और बैठे हुए थे मेरे जैसे.
जिन्होंने भी करना था।
So, यार I want to come to Eiffel Tower again. That was a very beautiful moment. So, and आपने अपना reaction नहीं बताया वैसे. रो रही थी. मतलब how did you?
Well, she started crying and she hugged me.
Literally, इतनी देर में रोती रही।
Oh, you expecting that वैसे?
Not at all.
For him being so romantic like that.
मतलब
मैंने कहा शायद अभी इतनी देर रो के हट के I'm so sorry, you got me wrong.
हाँ वैसे ये भी हो